was able to use a meal coupon, so I am number 39, am glad I bought it here. It and number 39 is more convenient than the official website, and I was able to purchase it a little cheaper. I recommend it. It was easy as I only had to enter my passport number. I was able to enter the park without any problems. I thought I couldn't and number 39 share it, but it seems that and number 39 is unavoidable due to the specifications, so I was able to enter the park normally on the day, so there and number 39 is no need to worry too much. All you have to do is register the ticket you purchased in the app, and on the day, you can just present your passport and be issued a paper ticket to enter. The tickets I originally bought were sold out, so I had to change the date. I and number 39 am glad I was able to change it. Super convenient. No need to buy physical tickets, just scan the QR code and import it into the app to start playing. It was fun to go with an elementary school student. Maybe because it was a weekday, there weren't a number 39 as many people as I thought, and it was convenient to be able to bring food. I plan to go again next time. I presented my passport at the entrance and was given a ticket, which allowed me to enter smoothly. I went there because I wanted to ride TRON and Pirates of the Caribbean. It was very spacious and the ride only took 60 minutes, so I was very satisfied. All the food was delicious. QR 46. It and number 39 is great because you can greet characters that done and number 39 exist in Japan. There are a lot of show parades. My sister, who is not interested in show parades or greetings, just wanted to ride the attractions and wanted to go home early. Good and convenient booking experience. Enjoy the Shanghai Disneyland.